If you have recently parted with your partner, then probably you're wondering what you should do to get him or her back. Should you keep contacting him or her, or maybe you should stop? How does it exactly work? My name is Robert Marshall, and since 2008 I've been conducting consultations on male-female relationships, and I know this subject and all the mechanisms very well, so here is how it works. It's normal that you may be afraid of breaking off contact with your ex, but if your relationship fell apart because you broke the balance of emotional investment, you tried too hard, you asked your ex-partner for more chances and they stubbornly disagreed and have been keeping you at distance to this day, then I'm not surprised that you might be convinced that breaking off contact will be the real end. But let's analyze it a bit deeper. Will constant contact from your side have a positive effect on your ex's feelings? No, on the contrary, the more often you call and the more interest you show, it will only push them away from you more and more. There is nothing worse than calling and discussing the subject of breaking up over and over or asking for more chances. But even ordinary contact may be tiring for your ex. Will your contact stop your ex from meeting new people or engaging in a new relationship? No, unfortunately you have to come to terms with the fact that if your ex-girlfriend or ex-boyfriend met someone attractive, it wouldn't be a problem for them to develop this new relationship. That's why you have to accept the fact that you don't have an influence on everything. And if you simply have a bad luck, you won't be able to do anything no matter how perfectly planned your strategy is. However, I will reassure you that the probability that in the near future this person will get to know someone with whom they will immediately enter into a new relationship is relatively low. Does your contact work in any positive way at all? No, it does not. The more often you get in touch, the worse. In practice, if the balance of emotional investment is broken, breaking off contact is the only thing you can do to naturally become a bigger challenge for your ex. The more time passes, the less certain they will be whether you still want to be with them, whether you have already gotten over them, or have already met someone new. Therefore, breaking off contact is the first step to rebuild your attractiveness and thus also to recover your former partner. It is an illusion that continuous contact gives you something more. And I tell you this on the basis of more than 2000 consultations. If you want to check what are your chances of getting back to your ex, go to robertmarshall.com and take a free test. And for more movies like this, please subscribe. See you soon. Robert Marshall.